it's Gina, and today I decided that I would give you a little room tour of the room where I'm staying currently in Palma de Mallorca. So without further ado, let's get started. So this is what my room looks like. It's actually bigger than I expected it to be, and I have a very beautiful view. But yeah, we're talking about the room now. So I even have like a little desk, and I would say we start like here. Here's just some random stuff that I put there, my shoes, my backpack, a little chair where I put my jackets. I have a little laundry bag, some water because you can't drink the water from the tap here. This not very greatly unpacked fridge. My water kettle, or I'm not sure if it's called water kettle or electric kettle. So I actually didn't even expect to have a fridge, and I even have like a small tiny freezer here, but it's not working well and the water is always dripping down. So yeah, don't know how this actually works correctly, but I have some of my stuff here. And I'm super happy that I got this fridge in my room because yeah, it's just great, especially when it's warm outside and I can put some of my food inside and some drinks and they're cold, and that's just amazing. And then here I have some random stuff, a book, some water. Then there's my bed, and I actually took this blanket with me. And I'm actually really glad about it because it was very cold when I arrived. And then I decided that I would decorate the wall. I got this one from Sabrina when I arrived. And I put some postcards here that I got in like restaurants, and some business cards I got in some of the stores that I visited. And that way the wall just doesn't look so plain and white, and yeah, I think it's really cool. And then continuing with this part, I think this is probably the most chaotic part of this room, because here I have all of my food and some more stuff that I need. Got like my chargers in here and some bags and some stuff that I'm gonna give this to some of my friends. And then here I have some containers, a strainer, a bowl. I actually bought most of this here. And then there's just some paper packaging here. But yeah, then I have my chair here and my desk, and I didn't expect to have such a huge desk. I have some more stuff. This is actually not mine, but I used it to film some videos. And then my suitcase and some random stuff. And here, this is my wardrobe. Some of my clothes in there. And now that you've been seeing pretty much my whole room, you can also take a short look into my bathroom. And here's my sink and my shower. It's definitely not the prettiest, but I'm super happy that I got like an own bathroom here. Here is me. On my way to the cafe, I discovered this pigeon and it looked quite amusing. And then at the cafe, we ordered empanadas, which were so good, and we also got pokeballs afterwards. Then we also visited a market, and they had different stalls. This lady here showed us how to grate cheese with these plates that they offered. At the end of our visit at the market, we also discovered these huge bubbles, and this one just basically flew into my face. It was also time to try out a new cafe, and we ordered this, I think it was supposed to be a Ferrero Rocher cake, and it was very, very good. The next day we went on a trip to Valdemossa, which is another part of the island, and I had never been there before, so it was super fun to discover all of the streets and the buildings. If you ever get the chance to stay in Palma, definitely visit these art galleries. They have a lot of beautiful art that I really liked.
Like a derelict kind of place, I think.
Sabrina trying to roll the wrap.
God, I'm trying to roll it.
Yeah, and you have to go, yeah. No. You have to go with this over here. Yes, and then
in the wrap.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh my god,
yes,
I have it. And now everything is closed at the ends, almost. A bit of soy sauce coming out, but I made it.
On my last day, I strode a little bit around in Santa Catalina and discovered this amazing street art. The artist also sells some of her painted bags in one of the restaurants that I already showed in my other vlogs. It's called La Nueva Burguesa, so in case you're interested, definitely check it out. Looks like that at the end of April, it's still Christmas in Palma. There's an airplane. And that's me tomorrow. I'm so sad. For the last day at the beach, I prepared some rice noodles with peas and this, I actually don't know what it's called. I think it's like textured soy. And I made a peanut sauce. And I also have this orange drink. And now I'm just gonna enjoy that. So today is Friday and I'm actually leaving today, and it's so weird to see like my room getting empty because I'm just packing the rest of my stuff into my suitcase, and 2 months are over. Crazy, I can't believe it, but it was such a great time with Sabrina and all the other people that I got to meet here. But everything comes to an end one day, and today is the end of the Palma de Mallorca time. Everything is packed now, and I have like 1 hour left before I have to leave, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. Maybe I'm gonna sit a little bit on the terrace. Last view from the rooftop. So I finally got my bags and the weather is perfect. I think I took the sun with me from Mallorca. And yeah, so that basically means that the video's over now, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and see you next time. Bye.